Welcome to part 2 of vegetables my kids love to eat. Today we're going to be making pan-roasted asparagus. This makes a perfect side dish for a steak dinner, but on its own, it's already very delicious. I'm going to show you how to prepare it. The trick to preparing asparagus is getting rid of that woody portion at the bottom. What you need to do is grab the bottom part of the asparagus, bend it, feel where the soft spot is, and then snap. Did you get that? Bend and snap. And then just enjoy the sound. Now on a hot pan with a medium heat, put some butter, then add your asparagus. Roast your asparagus on the hot pan for a few minutes and turn it from time to time to prevent it from burning. What you're looking for is even caramelization throughout the asparagus. Then season it with salt and pepper. And then when the asparagus is almost tender, you can add some lemon juice. Lemon juice actually elevates the flavor of this dish. Now put the asparagus on a plate and then sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese. This creates a really nice nutty flavor to the dish. This is a very simple, easy way to prepare asparagus. My kids love it, and I'm sure your kids will love it too. Go ahead and try it at home.